know that Jupiter is out of this world.
Are you having fun in the sandbox, little George? Oh my goodness, you are so cute. Oh, I think the Incredibles are here. Let me get the barbecue started. Oh, thank you so much, Peppa. Thank you, Peppa. You make the best shish kebab.
This is a nice spot to have our picnic. Right, baby Jack Jack? I think he likes it, Bob. I do too. This is such a nice place. Hey, look. I see your old friends, Peppa and her family. Oh, that's so nice. I see Daddy Pig made himself comfortable. Shh. Shh. Jack Jack, why don't you go play with George in the sand pit? Wow, my baby bro is super smart. Look at that sandcastle that he built. Dad, I'm hungry. Let's get cooking.
I already started cooking. What would you guys like? I have shish kebab and I have corn on the cob. That sounds great. We'll be over there soon. We brought our own basket full of goodies too. Dash, can you get the basket? Whoa, you are super fast. That's why I'm Dash. What do we have in this basket? I see yummy chocolate cake. Well, let me get the grill started. We have yummy fish, corn on the cob, and fried eggs. Wow, what a selection. Why is Bob from the Puppy Dog Pals with all of those dogs and cats? Something is up with his eyes too. Looks fishy to me. I don't know, but I did see him earlier today. He had other cats and dogs in another vehicle. Very, very odd. Odd indeed. His eyes, they look like he's hypnotized. You don't think Screenslaver? I do, Bob. I think Screenslaver's at it again. Oh no, what are we gonna do with the kids? We gotta go check this out. Let's leave them with the pig family. Alright, Bob. I'm sure they won't mind. Let's get going. Well, Mummy Pig, is it alright if you just watch the kids for a little bit? Of course, Mr. Incredible. Anything for you. Thank you so much. We'll be back. We just have to go to the store and pick up a few things. If we don't get them, our friend Frozone will, okay? Sounds good to me. We're gonna have a jolly good time. Bye-bye. Goodbye, Mr. Incredible. Bye, Dad. Bye, kids. Be good. See you soon. Come on, Jack Jack. Let's go in the pool. Ah, it's so nice, the water. Come on, George. Do you want to go in the pool, too? You can come in the pool, too, George. Isn't it nice them playing together? This is so lovely. I wonder where your parents are.
Yeah, I agree. I don't like the fact that they left us here. You are too fast, Dash. I'm Dash for a reason. Goo 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 goo.
Well, there's no use in laying about and wondering what everybody else is doing elsewhere. Let's have a delicious picnic. Yes, let's do it, and then we could play at the park. That sounds wonderful. Let's eat. Everybody tuck in and let's have a nice bite to eat. This is a lovely picnic day that we're all having, and I'm happy to spend it with all of you. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, Daddy Pig. Oh, I'm tired already. Let's play at the park. Let's go, everybody. Yay!
Oh no, muddy puddles! You don't like jumping up and down in muddy puddles? I do. Whee! Having fun on that swing, Peppa? Look what this cool drawbridge can do. Bring it down, bring it down. I'm a pirate. That is so cool. Now we can go inside. How cool is this? Come here, Dash. That was fast. Look how cool this drawbridge is. This is such a cool park. Look what I found. A Peppa Pig Mash'em. This is so cool. Let's open it up.
Oh my god, Peppa! Look at her, guys. It's so squishy. Hello, everybody. My name is Peppa Pig. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Wow, you got a Peppa Pig Mash'em. She looks just like the real Peppa. No, she doesn't. I'm wearing sunglasses. This is an imposter. A jiggly one at that. So squishy. Let's play hopscotch now. How do you play? You draw a stick, and wherever it lands on the numbered square, you hop over. He's gonna draw a stick. And it landed on the number 4. Whee! That was fun. I'm gonna throw this Peppa Pig Mash'em. Squish, 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 squish. I guess you don't like your own Mash'em. Not really. Just kidding, I love squishy things. I love Peppa Pig Mash'em. See, you found an Incredibles Mash'em. Goo 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 goo. Yes, we did, Daddy, and I can't wait to open it and see what's inside.
I got Violet. It's really squishy. You might pull her hair. She's really stretchy. But her head is squishy, but not her hair.
This is crazy. I love my Mash'em. She's so pretty, just like me. Mwah. Whee!
This is how you jump in monkey puzzle.
So much fun. Whee! Having fun, baby Jack Jack? Mom and Dad would be so proud of us for babysitting while we're having a picnic. This is so cool. We're like adults. Yeah, we're really taking care of our baby brother. Thanks for all your help, Peppa. Yeah, thanks a lot, Peppa. Don't mention it. Hey, kids, where are your parents? Thanks, Frozone.
I'm here, guys, to pick you up. We gotta go find your parents now. I thought you'd never come. Well, I'm ready to go. I think there's something up. Me too. Let's get going. Where's Dash and your brother? They're over there. I'm right here. Let's go. Wow, you are super fast. That's why I'm Dash. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's get the baby and thank the pigs.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. And don't forget to stay tuned. We have to see what happened to Mr. Incredible and Elastigirl. And see what Bob from Puppy Dog Pals is doing with all those pups. Stay tuned to the next one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. Ring that bell if you haven't already so you'll be the first one to get notified every time we post a new video or a giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys, and have an incredible day.
Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.